3.
So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to solve an equation by using the clearing fraction strategy. And when you have an equation that has fractions in it in which they have the same denominator, you can eliminate all of those fractions by multiplying everything by that denominator. So we make a distributive property problem out of it. We put parentheses around this side, and we're going to multiply by 5. But if I multiply this side by 5, then I also have to multiply this side by 5. In doing that, when you multiply the 5 by the negative 3/5, you get negative 15/5. Well, negative 15/5 is the same as negative 3b. Then I multiply the 5 by the 7, and I get 35. And then I multiply the 5 by the 2/5, and I get 10/5. And 10/5 is another name for 2. So that becomes a 2b. And when I multiply 19 by 5, I get 95. Now I have some like terms that I need to combine. I have a negative 3b and a positive 2b. In combining those two terms, I will end up with a negative 1b plus 35 equals 95.
Repeat that.
Which part?
Negative 1b.
Oh. Negative 1b plus 35 equals 95. So now to continue solving my equation, I would subtract 35 from each side. The plus 35, the minus 35, again, eliminate each other. Left with negative 1b equals 60. And then my final step would be to divide by a negative 1. Because remember, when you solve for a variable, you want it to be just the variable itself. You don't want a negative number in front of it. And two negatives make a positive, so we end up with positive 1b equals negative 60.